The Conference of Civil Society of Nigeria has debunked insinuation that majority of Nigerians are opposed to the National Water Bill currently before the National Assembly. The controversial water bill only recently has dominated the news space. Addressing a news conference in Abuja, chairperson of the conference, Comrade Adams Otakwu said, a survey by the group indicates only about 5% of Nigerians have studied the content of the bill. Stressing that the bill is not a new creation but rather a consolidation of 4 extant statutes, the group says it will continue to enlighten Nigerians on its potentials, which include upgrade of the nation's water resources by over 90%.
We have seen that the bill will de-risk the aquatic ecosystem and promote development, dam safety, effective reservoir operations and management, and environmental integrity across hydrological areas and basins by over 75% of what it is currently. We see that the bill will open up the water resources sector for public-private investment, which will increase jobs, it will create more employment opportunities for those in the informal sector, the public sector, and the private sector by over 65% than it is currently. We see that the bill will enhance transparency, accountability, full disclosure, public spiritedness, and minimize corruption in the water resources sector by over 70% than it used to be now. We've seen also that the bill will afford financing for water resources management and in the sector through tariff on abstraction of water and in developing water resources infrastructure.
Otakwu further dismissed insinuations linking the bill to the Extant Land Use Act.
It does not interfere with the Land Use Act. The governor and state government still retain their rights in terms of the physical planning in any state geography. The bill does not disenfranchise them of this right. No, it concerns solely with interstate water that run across 2 states. The bill will not interfere with physical planning of any state. Such landed property will be obtained based on the required procedure of the Land Use Act that is existing.
The controversial water bill only recently has dominated the news space, with criticisms from some quarters that if passed into law, will hand the president absolute control over the nation's entire water resources both over and underground. CNN News.